Good day, everyone. I am Professor Frank. Today our topic will be on marketing communication tools. Marketing communication tools are the instruments that brands use to deliver their messages. They shape perception. They influence decisions. They build relationships. We begin with integrated marketing communication, or IMC. IMC is a strategic approach. It coordinates all communication channels. It ensures consistency across platforms. Consumers do not interact with brands through one channel only. They see advertisements. They browse websites. They read reviews. They engage on social media. If each channel sends a different message, confusion occurs. If all channels reinforce the same message, trust develops. IMC ensures that advertising, public relations, sales promotions, and digital content work together. The goal is a clear and unified message. Consider the example of Dove. The Real Beauty campaign communicated a consistent message about natural beauty. Television advertisements, social media content, public relations activities all reinforced the same narrative. Consistency strengthened brand identity. It built emotional connection. IMC also requires measurable goals. One approach to evaluating communication effectiveness is the hierarchy model. It moves from awareness to understanding, from understanding to preference, from preference to purchase. If awareness increases but sales do not change, the strategy must be reviewed. In Malaysia, brands such as Petronas often demonstrate strong IMC. Their festive advertisements during Hari Raya are supported by social media engagement and corporate messaging. The story remains consistent across platforms. IMC is not simply about using many channels. It is about integration. It is about coherence. Strategically, IMC aligns communication with business objectives. Tactically, it ensures message execution is consistent. Without integration, marketing efforts become fragmented. With integration, impact multiplies. We now move to social media marketing. Social media has transformed marketing communication. It enables direct interaction. It allows immediate feedback. Unlike traditional media, social media is two-way. Consumers respond. They comment. They share. This creates dialogue. Platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Twitter serve different purposes. Instagram is highly visual. It appeals to younger audiences. LinkedIn targets professionals and business communities. In Malaysia, many small businesses use Instagram and TikTok to promote products. Short videos attract attention quickly. Engagement can translate into sales. Social media marketing requires strategy. First, content must be relevant. Second, platform selection must match the target audience. Third, performance must be measured. Analytics tools help measure engagement. They track likes, shares, comments, and conversions. For example, a Malaysian fashion retailer may analyze engagement data to determine which posts generate the highest response. Future content can then be refined. Social media also supports targeted advertising. Advertisements can be customized based on age, location, interests, occupation. In B2B markets, LinkedIn allows targeting by job title and industry. This improves efficiency. Another important element is user-generated content. Brands often encourage customers to share experiences. This creates authenticity. It builds community. GoPro is an example of this strategy. Customers share videos taken with GoPro cameras. The content becomes part of the brand narrative. Social media also plays a critical role in crisis communication. If a product issue arises, brands can respond immediately. Timely communication protects reputation. Strategically, social media builds engagement and loyalty. Tactically, it delivers real-time interaction. It is not optional. It is central to modern marketing communication. Before we continue, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We now turn to managing partner relationships. Marketing communication is not directed only at customers. It also involves stakeholders. Partners include suppliers, distributors, retailers, investors, community groups. Strong partner relationships strengthen brand delivery. When distributors understand the brand message, They communicate it effectively to consumers. Managing partner relationships requires trust. It requires transparency. It requires shared objectives. Public relations plays an important role. Public relations focuses on reputation management. It communicates with a broad audience. For example, when a company faces a product recall, clear communication with suppliers and regulators is essential. Branding, however, focuses on identity. It builds awareness. It shapes attitudes. Consider Nike. Its communication emphasizes inspiration and performance. This identity is reflected not only in advertising, but also in sponsorship and partnerships. In Malaysia, companies that collaborate with local influencers and retailers strengthen brand visibility. Joint campaigns expand reach. Technology supports partner relationship management. Customer relationship management systems track interactions. Partner relationship management platforms monitor performance and leads. These systems improve coordination. They improve accountability. Effective partner management increases efficiency. It enhances brand reputation. It improves long-term loyalty. Strategically, partner relationships extend brand influence. Tactically, they ensure consistent delivery. Let me conclude. Marketing communication tools include IMC practices, social media marketing, partner relationship management. Each tool serves a specific function, but all must align with strategy. Integration ensures consistency. Social media ensures engagement. Partnership management ensures support. As postgraduate students, you must analyze both strategic alignment and tactical execution. A tool is only effective when it supports the overall objective. Marketing communication tools are not isolated activities. They're strategic assets. Our next lesson will be on brand value and attributes. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.